off to go to men's fellowship. Got to start in the morning. So I woke up this morning and checked my charts while the shower is warming up, and I realized that that's my normal routine. That's my morning routine, and I realized that routine is important. So if you find yourself all throughout the day trying to check your charts, you might need to break that habit. Part of being a profitable trader is being consistent, to be able to do things day in and day out, roughly the same. And so if you're having a hard time finding profitability, I would say start small. Have a little more consistency in your chart checking, your chart time. See where it goes.
I think 6 days a week is par.
So just finished up getting together with a couple of the guys, going over some stuff that's going on with our lives and talking through that. And then had some breakfast with them and just dropped one off, and now I'm on my way back to the house. I've had some alerts go off. I had a couple trades I got into, and now I think I was kicked out of one. I'm in another. I think I took a little video of that. I'm completely and totally hedged, so I am doing hedging again, just because number one, I found a lot of success in hedging to begin with, and then number two, there's a different way. The only problem I found with hedging for myself was the exponential increase whenever you did hedges. But I have found another trader who does hedging a little bit differently, and I'm giving that a try. And so far, so good. It seems to be working. Time will tell. I'm just going to keep practicing it and testing it out. Still doing the trend lines with Tory trades. That one has been going really well. I started with a $50 account there. I think I'm up to like 77, 79. That's actually the trades that I shared just a second ago. The one I got kicked out of and the one that I'm currently in. And those are going really well. That is a beautiful trading system. Very, very simplistic. So if you're looking for something, that's one way to start. She has a free Discord and everything. Join the community. I'm very active in there. Mostly because it's really, really easy to understand. So it's really, really easy for me to speak my experience into that trading system. But other than that, I am gonna head home, log on to work because I still work a 9 to 5. I'll kiss the wife good morning and then go about my day. And I'll see you then. I just took a little break and I'm sitting in watching these two trades. One's continuing down, the other one I'm waiting to actually do something. This is part of the Tory trades trend line. It's pretty nice. The other ones I'm still hedged in AUD USD, NZD USD, and USD CAD. I'm not hedged in NZD USD. I just got into NZD USD. It might get hedged. Who knows? Who cares? We'll see. In the meantime, I went ahead and fixed this shell. My wife likes to collect shells, so whenever we go to the beach, we grab some shells, and she didn't have one like this, but it was cracked. So I got some Play-Doh, a little bit of baking soda and super glue, and voila, there we go. Now we have this guy who lets the light in. So my AUD USD trade is just sitting here hedged. NZD USD, same thing, a little bit below break even. USD CAD, still hedged, nothing happening there. CAD CHF, sitting here, and profit. GP USD is sitting a little bit below the entry point. That's really all we got.